This is the ProLogic Safe Lock system from SECURAM Systems. You can tell the ProLogic because it has an LCD screen. When you press any of the buttons, the LCD screen wakes up and it allows you to do some programming. The ProLogic comes in a variety of different options, different models, from the ProLogic L01 up to the ProLogic L66 and ProLogic WebLink. This video is going to show you what the system info screen shows you on the ProLogic. So I press the menu button. I don't actually have to go into the system menu to do this because it's one of the options available in the root menu. It is also in the system menu, but here I can access it in the system info in the root menu. I press OK, and it's going to show me a number of things. The top line shows you the model number, L66. It also shows the firmware version, the number of users, and the number enrolled, and the lock ID, and the number of audit events available on this system, which is 1,000 on an L66. It shows me link with lock is OK, that says I'm seeing the lock, so it's good. So that system info can be accessed in the root menu, or it is also in the system menu behind, protected by your code. So you can access it both ways. That's the system info menu on the ProLogic series.